So you never thought you'd get a second opportunity. Look at these solid neat pictures you're going to get here.
Yeah, I should be taking photos, but I'm taking
Steve just wanted to make sure you
video.
got all the pictures you wanted.
The last thing I need to do is hearing complaints about my inability to give you a the jerk took us down and then didn't let me drive up another road 7 times.
7 times?
Every truck.
We're going to get every truck. It's like the Christmas Santa parade.
Yeah, as long as it doesn't turn into Groundhog Day.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, we're even going to get this view, which we didn't think we were going to take. I won't turn off my camera.
Stop. I don't think that's that important tonight.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Okay, so where do I go? Just lean over?
What do you want?
Here, I'll go less. There. There.
Herbs right out of our little neighborhood there. New Hamburg truck stuck here.
You're good for your camera phone takes good videos at night. Mine is just black.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm really shaky, but...
Yeah, sorry. I tried to smoothen that out.
Could you please order a
Yeah, these
plow in
BMWs,
front?
these BMWs suck. I've never ever seen this rough before.
Okay, I guess I'll calm down and turn it off now. We made it.
Oh,
This was much better.